Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we will explore the most innovative blockchain and investment projects shaping the future of finance and sustainability. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos so you can get updates related to hottest trend in the crypto blockchain next generation investment platform. Yes, I am very excited in the today's video because in today we are diving into GroWealth, the next investment and best ecosystem that transforming how we approach cryptocurrency and real estate. Imagine this platform where blockchain meets the real estate backed digital asset and reward long-term investors while offering unmatched transparency and control. This is a secure where you can check out the transparency. There is GroWealth that is not just another trading platform. Its entire financial ecosystem designed to reward loyalty, enable secure investment, and deliver real-world return. And whether you are into crypto, real estate, either in both this project worth your attention. How you will get a complete details about this project. First of all, you need to create an account here. For the account create, you can also put here your name, your last name, your birth date, your email, your password of 6 to 8 digit. After that, you can click on the sign up and you can also create an account successful. If you have already account, you can log in. Once your account will be created, then you can also check out there is also your profile that you can also click on this option, and there you can also start your wallet address. If you want here GroWealth and token or USD, you can select here. If you come again into your wallet successfully, then there is also a next option that is basically about your profile. Here is also a home button where you can come if you want to invest then fund your wallet using GroWealth coin. You can also purchase it too. So this is amazing where you can connect your wallet. There you can also get grow wealth coins. How much you need you can also put here, and according to that your number that including fees it will be shown here. You can also choose that, choose your investment opportunity, and from their curated list of high return with real estate business. And there you can also click on the with USDC, and there you have to set the terms and conditions too. After that, you can also check out your investment will be shown here. An upcoming investment in which Prime 180 there is unit apartment complex in DFW Metroplex is upcoming, and that is also you are earning passive income with added benefit of blockchain security real estate backed value. Yes, there you can find 1000 unit storage facility is here. Location is high growth. There is DFW market with strong demand for storage. Share in the rental income and long-term asset appreciation. And GroWealth is going to let you stake your coins and earn loyalty rewards. So longer you stay in, more you will earn. If you come, here is also a complete details upcoming projects you have understand. Then you can check out the roadmap. According to that, there is phase-wise detail. In phase 1, their token launch and initial project partnership. In phase 2, they are also going to start. Investment portal goes live with real estate deals and fully trading platform ecosystem expansion is going to be completed very soon. And there is construction stock to mean let's talk about what they are going to providing the futures. So now there is also prime apartment as I have already given some details about upcoming project like 180 unit apartment complex in Dallas Fort Worth area. There is also 1000 unit storage facility that is upcoming and ideal for the recession in resistance income 130 unit town home community. There is also for the booming suburb and 100 new construction homes near a lake community. There is also massive 250 unit high luxury apartment development are also projects that is upcoming on this project. These projects are located in the market with a strong rental demand and the long-term appreciation of potential. As an investor, you get on a share these development all backed by blockchain fully transparency. And here a big one exclusive trading platform coming soon. When you will come, here is trading platform that is upcoming soon, and they are going to build with the crypto backed with real estate acquired with advanced 24/7 monitoring details and exclusively designed with ultra low fees, no hidden cost, and fully transparent and real estate performance data. Whether you are a passive investor or active trader, GroWealth is making future of investing simple and secure profitable way. So be ready, join it. So what do you think about GroWealth hybrid approach to crypto and real estate investment? You can start making now decision about it, because if you are looking transparency long term, GroWealth is my suggestion. You should absolutely be on radar. All the link you need is have been provided in my video description, so be sure to check them out. And always don't forget to like the video, subscribe to channel, smash the bell icon for updates, more game changing project in the blockchain coming. Catch you in next one. Thanks for watching, see you soon in next video.